Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Ngayon ay pag-aralan natin ang sector of a circle. Then, before we go on to sector of a circle, kailangan muna natin mag-review how to find the area of a circle. What is the area of a circle? So to find the area of a circle, we need to know the value of the symbol. It's called pi, and the value of this pi is 3.1416. And then we have to know the given. And this circle, the given is the diameter, which is equivalent to 8 centimeter. Now, upon realize the given, kailangan na natin maggamit ng formula ng area to find the circle. So the area to find the circle, the formula is area equals pi r squared. Then we're going to know the radius. Since the given is 8 centimeter, the diameter, the radius is half of the diameter. So the half of 8 is 4. That's why our computation here equals pi, then the radius becomes 4, then squared. The meaning of squared, we're going to multiply the 4 twice. That's why 4 times 4 equals 16 pi squared centimeter. There are times in a multiple choice, ito na yung sagot, 16 pi centimeter squared. But meron namang iba na kailangan pa natin ng pi, 3.1416. We're going to multiply it by 16. And the result is area equals 50.2656 squared centimeter. Then there are times our teacher required for 2 decimal places. So that's why we need to round off. So the result for our final answer for the area of a circle, area is equals to 50.27 squared centimeter. Double line meaning is our final answer now. Now let us find the definition of sector of a circle. Sector of a circle is a region bounded by 2 radii. Radii is a plural for radius. So example, this is the circle. This is the 2 radius, and this 2 radius is called radii. This is now bounded by this radius. And for every point here at the circumference of the circle, there is a specific marking here and specific letters for their points. Now, we have a sector of a circle divided into 2. One is called major sector, and the second is minor sector. The symbol for writing the major sector or the arc is x, z, y, meaning to say from x going to z, then going to y. And for minor sector, the symbol is arc xy, meaning to say from x going to y. This is intersected arc is called minor arc. So let's talk about sector of a circle. This region, this area occupied by the circle is called the sector of a circle because it is bounded by 2 regions. And there is also here is the minor sector. This part, this region is also a sector. So that's why we have 2 sectors. Again, major sector, this one, the big one, and the minor sector. Remember, when we talk of minor, it is less than 180 degrees. And if we're going to talk for major sector, from 180 and above degrees. We are going to have now a problem we are going to solve by finding the sector of a circle. Now the first question, find the minor sector of a circle. Since minor sector, we're going to proceed to the circle, to the given figure, and we're going to determine the minor sector. Remember, minor is less than 180 degrees. So the given is 35 degrees. So therefore, this intercepted arc here is called the minor. So we're going to find out the minor sector or the space, itong space na ito. Ilang area ba ang ino-occupy nitong sector na to? Okay, and the given radius is equals to 8 centimeter. Upon realize our solution, we will use the formula area of a sector is equals to the measure of subtended angle over 360 degrees times pi radius squared. And then the next step, we're going to substitute. So area is equals to the measure of subtended angle is 35 degrees. So we have now 35 degrees here. Then copy 360 degrees times the pi. And we're going to know what is the radius. Since the given radius here is 8 centimeter, we're going to replace r to 8. Then copy the exponent. And after that, we're going to solve by dividing 35 degrees divided by 360 degrees. We're going to cancel the degrees because division, degrees divided degrees, so no more number of degrees. Then 35 divided by 360, we have 0.0972 times squared, meaning to say we're going to double the 8, the base. 8 times 8 equals 64, then copy the pi symbol. Then we write again the 0.0972 times 64 times the value of pi, which is 3.1416, and the result 201.0624. Then we're going to multiply this now. Multiply natin ulit ito. And the result is 19.5432 squared centimeter. And there are times the required of the teacher is 2 decimal places, so we're going to round up. We're going to eliminate this 32. Since 32 is less than 5, so no need to add 1 to the next number. So that's why our final answer is 19.54 squared centimeter. So therefore this area is 19.54 squared centimeter. Okay, next problem. Find the major sector of a circle. To find the major sector of a circle, so we're going to examine the figure. So this is the minor, the intercepted arc minor. So therefore, this is the major sector, this area. So, and the given is 325 degrees, and the radius is equals to 8 centimeter. Upon determine the given, we're going to use again the same formula. Number 1, area of a sector is equals to the measure of subtended angle here, this one, equals 360 over 360 degrees times pi r squared. So remember, pi r squared is the formula for finding the area of a circle. The next step is to substitute. What is the measure of subtended angle? We have here given 325. Here we are going to write, then divide 360 degrees. Then the degrees, divide degrees equals no more. Then 325 divided by 360, we have 0.90277 times, we have to get 8 times it equals 64 times 3.1416, we have the result of 201.0624. Then multiply by 0.90277 times 201.0624 with a total of with the product rather of 181.5131 squared centimeter. To decimal places, we're going to round up 181.51 squared centimeter. Double line meaning to say this is our end of our computations. Now, if we're going to check if our work is correct, the minor is 35 degrees, the area is 19.54 square centimeter, and for the major we have 325 degrees. So if we're going to add 19.54 square centimeter plus 181.51 square centimeter, it will be equal to the measure of the area of a square, which is 2.01 something. Okay, that's the end of our computation about finding the minor sector of a circle and finding the major sector of a circle.